Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up. That's important for the growth of a YouTuber, so that's where you guys come in. If you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you again in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, today I am very excited. We got a beautiful box from Glossybox. This is a box that gets gifted to True Wants, and it is such a fantastic company because, as I've shared with you in the past, when boxes get sent to the channel, I like to take a little extra time to tell you a little bit more about the box, because a lot of times I don't know the whole backstory about the box, but we've been receiving this box a few times now on the channel, and it's always been an absolute treat for two reasons. One, they constantly change their boxes every month, so you never know what color the box is going to be, because when they started with this gorgeous high-end pink box, and to me it's still one of my favorites. It's a true classic, and it's always wrapped up in tissue paper and a bow. Just, it's such a gorgeous box, and the price of it is really reasonable. It's around a $20 a month box. What I also love about this box is it originally started solely in the UK, and that was why for me I was always a little bit afraid to get this box prior to them even reaching out to me because of customs and duties and taxes. You do not have to worry in North America. It ships for free. And they also opened up that sometimes we get different boxes when we're here in the USA than what they're showing in the UK, because it's being shipped out of an American warehouse. So let me give you a little bit of backstory on this, because I also found out when I went in to get the box, Rakuten showed up as well. So if you're familiar with Rakuten, then definitely, if you're signing up, even using anybody's link, and I will have links in the description box down below, because they always offer every month all these fantastic links, and I will leave them in the boxes down below. I think this month it's like $5 off your first box. And what's also great about Glossybox is they enable you to lock in for the whole year, but you only pay that lower price monthly, which is such a fantastic system. All right, if you're not part of Rakuten, I will leave my link down below, because they're still offering, using my link, that you get $30 and I get $30 as long as you spend $30 within the first 90 days of pressing the link. So I'm really excited about that, because it's solely a cash back app, and it's one that I've always used even before I had a channel, and I'm happy that because I have the channel, I'm able to share this with you guys. And they've really been offering this for a long time right now, which they never did before, that $30 deal. So there's no cost to be part of this. There's no monthly fees. It's solely if you shop and you go through Rakuten first, which brings you to the website that you want to shop from. And even Glossybox, Look Fantastic was even on there. My Sephora's, my Ulta's, my Walgreens, my Targets, all of those are on there too. So I'm getting cash back for what I would do normally. So don't forget, if you are part of Rakuten, to make sure to go to Rakuten first and then choose Glossybox. And if you're not part of Rakuten, sign up with the link first, and then once you have the link, you will then sign up for Glossybox, and then you will get double. You will get the $30 here and all those savings on Glossybox as well. All right, let me just give you a little bit of a backstory about Glossybox, because I really didn't know much about this box and this brand. Glossybox is owned by this really large company, where Look Fantastic is also under that company as well, but there's so many companies under that company. And Glossybox is solely a box on its own, but when you get credits and things on Glossybox, you're able to use it on the beautiful website that Look Fantastic has as well. Also, with Glossybox, they also have these phenomenal limited edition boxes. And what's great about Glossybox is there's a certain price for the box if you are a member of their monthly box, Or you can also still get those beautiful limited edition boxes for just a little bit more than what you would get for the subscription price. So everyone has access to their limited edition boxes, which I think is absolutely fantastic as well. So Glossybox, they're saying it's a monthly box. It's normally $21, but like I said, I always have a link for it because every month they end up giving us links that give you some dollars off. Also, you can go in through my link, but if the deal on their website is better, grab that as well, because there's so many fantastic deals going on right now. I want to make sure that you guys get the best deal. But it can go down to as low as $18, and it's always free ship. So this company was actually founded in Berlin, this global box, what they're calling Glossybox Worldwide. It is the leading of luxury beauty sample sets, and they set it on a global stage. They're committed to introducing the most exciting brands from around the world, whether it be a product featured on a runway in Milan or the newest skincare regimen from Japan. We strive to ensure you are the first to have access to it all. Welcome to the world of Glossybox, where boundless beauty discovers awaits. But now, Glossybox is in North America. With a commitment to constantly innovate the beauty discovery experience, Glossybox North America leads the quickly growing, high dynamic US and Canadian businesses into the future. At Glossybox North America, we believe sampling is the most effective and organic way for women to fall in love with products and become lifelong brand advocates. It's going to be filled with 5 makeup, hair care, skincare products from top brands. Glossybox is packed with the love by our in-house beauty experts and delivered to your doorstep every month. Find your next beauty must-haves in your Glossybox. They're also, just so you know how large this is, they are located in 10 countries. They beauty trend scouting in all the corners of the world, including Paris, Milan, Tokyo, New York. They have a team of over 150 beauty enthusiasts working to source the best products. They also say that they have strong relationships with premium and niche brands worldwide, and they have a global customer service team to support all of our beauty needs. So I think a lot of us don't always know where the boxes and how large these companies are, because there's so many boxes now that, you know, as you know, I'm very loyal to the boxes that I have on my channel, and this one is definitely one that I think you should be looking at. This month, they did it in a gorgeous, gorgeous tin container, which is so Christmas, because all of us, I know for us in our companies, we always give out tins with cookies and things like that during Christmas time. And it is such a fantastic treat to get these type of tins, because I always keep them. And I think, first of all, their boxes I keep anyways, because their boxes are so beautiful. But this one also is just stunning, and it has all the Glossybox logo, and then they have some cute little snowflakes in between. But it is a beautiful, beautiful tin. And inside is the same design. It comes with, like I said, the tissue paper wrapped in a bow. It is absolutely, absolutely stunning. It also comes with their brochure. So we're gonna go through the brochure, and like I said, I will have links to everything in the description box down below. All right, so let's see what they have in store for us for the month of December. They're saying this is the final box of 2021. It's here, and we're so glad that you're experiencing it with us. I'm so excited that this box is here. It says, it's been an eventful year full of treats, surprises, and most all beauty. We thank you for being part of the Glossybox community, and we can't wait to show you what we have in store for you for 2022. Now, as you know on my channel, and if you don't, what I do is I take a picture prior to sitting down for Instagram. And if you're not following me there, you are missing out. My name there is True Once with the number 2, and I share a lot there as well. It's also a good reminder because I always show the picture of the box that we're going to be sharing here on the channel, as well as at the end of the day, I try to share with you everything that is in the box as well. But what we do here is we go into more detail, and we also try to do some swatches and things like that. So when I opened it up and took the picture out, and I also remove a lot of the packaging, because if you're not familiar, this is not what I do full time. This is what I do to be able to share with you guys. So I sit down, I film, and it's live. And that's what we do here. And then later in the day, when all of it gets set up into YouTube, I'm then able to then send it to you guys so that we can share all this together. When I opened this up, there was one product missing. So because this is a PR box, I'm not going to call, but if this was my regular box, I definitely would call and make sure that the company knew that one of the items during the packing process got misplaced or missed in my box. And the item that is missing is one that is a fantastic product. It is from the Ruce Beauty, but on my channel, if you're familiar, We've shared this so many times. This is a product of brush sets that we've received through other boxes that we share on my channel, and it is a really high-end brush. So I'm hoping that it was just misplaced in my PR box, but hopefully you guys are going to be getting it in yours. This one says it's from the Ruce, it's the full size. It is their tapered blending brush. It's an LR120. I could have gone into my stash to pull out that one because it is one that I own and enjoy. This is creating a soft diffuse contour with this blending brush. It's made with super soft poly flex fibers. It has that studded handle, which they all do, and it is a really soft cushiony handle, and it makes it easy to grip, so you will have the steady hand to create your eye look going forward. This alone is a $28 value for that brush. The next item in here is a beautiful palette that came with this sleeve, and inside was this palette here. And this one is from LASPLASH Cosmetics. This is also a full-size item, and they're saying it is called the Moonlight Glow Palette. It says, give your face some lunar love and get a real moonlight glow. These 4 colors are exactly what you need to top off any look, whether you want a supple glow or steal the spotlight. Your beauty will be dazzling any room you walk into. This is a $34 value on its own. So let me open this up. It has a beautiful mirror on the inside. It has the safety shield for the powders there. And what is marked around the mirror? It says Moonlight Glow, and said beauty is like the moon in the midnight sky. Isn't that beautiful? And then that is the gorgeous colors inside. I cannot wait to do this. So there's 2 blushes, 1 bronzer, and 1 highlighter in here. So I will swatch these. So this one here is called Midnight Rose. We have Blushing Luna, Bronze Goddess, and the Ethereal Highlight. So let's do a little swatch here. The colors are just beautiful. I'm going to do the one swatch, and then I'm going, oh, they came out, I think, clear enough for you guys to see. Really beautiful. Look at this one here. What a pop of color. Stunning. I love these palettes. You know, I share them with you all the time on my channels. They're ones that I absolutely enjoy. What a treat. All right, the next item that is in here is a 2-for. It's the same item, but they ended up giving us 2 of them in the box. And this one is from the brand called Batiste. This is one that I have used for many years. This is their travel size, and it's their dry shampoo, and it's in their original scent. You can get this in a lot of different scents. This one says, don't like washing your hair every day? No problem. The dry shampoo provides an instant refresh, leaving your hair looking and feeling and smelling fresh and clean, so your style will last longer between washes. It is a mini bottle, is perfect for touch-ups on the go throughout the day. And these are very inexpensive. These are $3.99 each, but they are fantastic. If you're gonna get into dry shampoo, this is the brand that I recommend that you use. It is one, like I said, that's been in my arsenal for years. The next one is one that I didn't pick in my FabFitFun, but it's in this box here. So if you're also part of FabFitFun, you will know what I'm talking about. This here is this brand called Vahdam, India. It is teas. These are 3 bags. They're saying we have lemon, ginger, green tea. We have the turmeric, chamomile, herbal tea, and the turmeric, ginger, herbal tea. They're saying these teas are just what you need this winter to keep you warm and stay healthy. They source directly from over 150 renowned plantations and small individual farms in India. The ingredients include antioxidants, inflammatory properties, and aid with digestion. The single is $1, but you can get a box of these for $11.99. But like I said, this is going to be exciting, and especially during this time of year. Tea is something that I always gravitate to. So excited that we'll have 3 different flavors to have the opportunity to try. The next one is one that I love, that they share so much from this brand in these boxes, and it is from the brand called Elemis. And Elemis, to me, is one of the luxurious brands that we're very lucky to get in these affordable boxes. And it is one that every product I have tried, I have really enjoyed. So this one here is a travel size, and it's the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. They're saying it is a perfect recipe for a dewy glow. This silicone-free moisturizer primes and hydrates to reveal a smooth and radiant complexion. It's formulated with an energizing blend of kombucha, excuse me if I'm saying this incorrectly, and it's fermented ginger to help brighten and illuminate the microminerals to impart a supple radiance. The full size of this would be $22, or this cost of this would be $22. Elemis is a really high-end brand. I'm not sure what the cost of it would be. So let's just do a little swatch of this here. It has a bit of a tint to it, and there is no real scent to this at all. Beautiful, beautiful tint to this. So this is a perfect for a priming moisturizer, because you could put this on your face and just go out the door, or you can use this to even out your skin and then do your foundation and your whole process right afterwards. But that is stunning. Really, really excited to have the opportunity to try this. And then there was another product in the box, and it says it is a mystery product. And what we got here is the most stunning product, which I will show you. It came in this retail box, and this was the component that was inside. Do you see this? It has like this gorgeous, luxurious, high-end packaging to this. Let's read what it says about this. It says, surprise glossies. To make this month's box a little more fun and special, we've included a surprise. It is a mystery product to the Moonlight Glow Collection. We hope you love it and can't wait to see and hear what you think about it. Wow. So they really, this whole box has that theme, you know, with the moon and the stars. And then they have this product here. And it is from this brand called NeuRefection. It says it's a complexion perfecting polish. Really, really excited about this. We'll definitely be doing some more reading to see what this is all about, but really excited about this. Let me just see if there is some more information on the back here to be able to share with you. I will pull out my Improving Lifestyles magnifier so we can see what this is all about. And this one says it is a complexion perfecting polish. Buff away to refine and radiate complexion with this revolutionary and luxurious whipped facial polish that enhances your skin's health and beauty long after you rinse. Apply a thin layer onto your clean skin, and it should be a little damp. Gently massage it upward, circular motions. Take care around the eyes. Leave on for up to 5 minutes, then rinse with warm water and pat dry. For a deeper exfoliation, you can apply to dry skin and for a brushing effect. And then you follow with some more of their products. They're suggesting a mask, and they're saying you can use this up to 3 times a week. This is beyond stunning. What a treat. Okay, let's see what this is about here. That is what that item looks like here. And we'll take a little bit on the back of my nail here. Yeah, it feels like those polishes that have those little particles inside. And oh my God, this is gonna be amazing. It is so, so fantastic. This is like a polish that has a little bit of like those sand particles in there. And oh, I am so, so excited that this is in the box as well. What an absolute, absolute treat. We'll be using this. Really excited. Everything in this box is something that I would use, and to me, that makes a box an absolute winner. So, like I said, this is Glossybox. This is for the month of December. This is definitely a box I enjoy so much, and I feel like it is such a treat that they found my channel and they continue to send the products here and the boxes here, as well as their limited edition boxes, because Glossybox was one of the first companies that sent me an advent calendar, and it was so fantastic. If you haven't gotten that, I will leave a link to that video down below as well, because the price of it was fantastic to start with. But always check the website. I will try to see if I have a link for a discount code still available for that as well, because it was out of this world, and I'm still using all the products from that advent calendar, and each one has been an absolute winner. I am so impressed with Glossybox. I want to thank Glossybox for sharing this with True Ones and our subscribers here. Like I said, I will leave all the links to this box down below so that you will be able to enjoy this as well. And that's it for today, guys. So everybody continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well, and then we can end up enjoying more and more. Take care, everybody. Stay well.